You googled best scraping API and landed on Apify and HasData. Now you're trying to figure out which one to actually use. Here's the thing nobody tells you upfront. These two aren't the same category of tool. Apify is a platform with actors, compute units, and workflow orchestration. HasData is a REST API, one HTTP request, and structured JSON back. Picking the wrong one means that you're either overpaying for orchestration that you don't need or hitting a wall when you actually need to schedule jobs. In this video, I'm going to put both tools side by side on the same target, show you the real pricing math, and give you a decision tree by the end. In some cases, HasData is the better option, in some cases, Apify is, and by the end of the video, you will be able to choose for yourself. So, what's the real difference between Apify and HasData? Apify is a platform where you pick an actor, which is a pre-built scraper, configure inputs, run it on their compute, and get results from a dataset. So why this matters? If you just need data from a site and you want to ship a feature this week, then a platform is an overkill. And if you need scheduled multi-step pipelines with branching logic, then an API is the wrong tool. So this is the core decision. Everything else flows from it. And now about the pricing. HasData Business costs $99 per month for 1 million API requests. That's flat. Success-based billing means that failed requests cost nothing. So when it comes to Apify, it is compute unit model. The cost per run depends on which actor you use, how long it runs, the dataset storage, and the proxy usage. Also, the residential proxies are built separately per gigabyte. Also, public actors on the marketplace charge their own per result or monthly rental fees on top of the platform usage. Now let's see what you actually get for free. With HasData, you have 1000 API calls per month, no credit card required, and no expiration. With Apify, you have $5 platform credit per month. Credit card is required for some features and most residential proxy usage. Now the real issue with compute units is that you can't reliably estimate the cost for 100,000 records until you've actually run it. So for a founder forecasting infra costs, flat pricing wins every time. Now let's test both platforms. But first, before I run the test, if you want to follow along, HasData has 1000 free API calls per month. Link is down in the description. It takes about 2 minutes to set it up, get an API key, and follow along with our demo. So now let's run the live test using both tools with the same target. We'll look for pizza restaurants in New York City on Google Maps using the Apify's Google Maps scraper actor and HasData's Google Maps search endpoint. For the purpose of the test, we'll use quote code to send a request and get a response back. And this is the prompt that we'll use. What are the requirements? And now we send that request to quote code. Okay, the test is done. We have, and it was on the table. When we can see, this is from the HasData response in one table, and the total response time was 0.33 seconds. So now let's move to the second test with Apify, and we're going to use almost the same prompt, and this is it. We run a live Google Maps test using Apify's API. It's the same context. Again, of course, we'll use the actor compass crawler Google Places. With this endpoint, we need the Apify API token in the env file. Then we run the test. Okay, the test is done. The script was finished. If we compare that to the HasData test, it returned 20 places in 4.33 seconds, which is a lot faster. And we got that as structured JSON data. Now, as I said in the beginning of the videos, there are cases that Apify wins and cases that HasData wins. And where Apify wins is that it has a marketplace of community actors. So if you need to scrape a niche site nobody else covers, then someone on Apify may have already built a scraper for it. Also, you can build scrapers as a service, and if your product is publishing scrapers for other people to use, Apify is the platform built for this workflow. So Apify can run for hours, post, resume, and manage crawl state across long jobs. And where HasData wins is that it has flat, predictable pricing, $99 a month, 1 million requests, and there is no compute unit math. It has success-based billing, so failed requests cost nothing, and you can retry aggressively without burning budget. It has 24 plus targeted endpoints returning structured JSON, and there is no HTML parsing, so no selector maintenance. You need one API call to ship, If you can write a curl command, then you can integrate HasData in 20 minutes. The free tier lets you actually build on. You have 1,000 calls a month, no credit card required, and no expiration. And you also have multi-provider proxy intelligence. It means that HasData rotates across multiple proxy networks per target. And when one network IPs gets flagged on a specific site, HasData switches automatically. Apify charges for residential proxies separately per gigabyte, and you're picking a network yourself. So based on that comparison, you can choose for yourself. If you need a niche scraper that only exists on Apify's marketplace, then use Apify. If you need to ship a feature this week that pulls data from Google Maps, Amazon, LinkedIn, or any major site, then use HasData. If you want flat pricing that you can forecast, then use HasData. If you want free tier without credit card, again, use HasData. If you're building a product where data extraction is one step in a bigger pipeline that you can control in your own code, then use HasData. So here's the short version. Apify is a platform. HasData is an API. They solve overlapping problems in different ways. If you need orchestration, schedule jobs, or marketplace for niche scrapers, then Apify is the right call. If you need to hit an endpoint, get clean JSON, and ship a feature this week without warning a platform, then HasData is built exactly for that. The free tier is 1,000 API calls per month, no credit card required, and no expiration. You can have a working Google Maps scraper in 5 minutes. So, link for signing up is in the description. If you want to see how HasData stacks up against Scraper API or Zite, I already have a comparison video on the channel, and you can subscribe if you want more honest, benchmark-driven comparisons just like this one, and you also get weekly tutorials on how to do web scraping efficiently using the right tools. So, see you in the next one.